Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with OpenAI launches ChatGPT Pro with advanced features. Apple offers free password manager with iOS 18. Nothing launches Snake Game widget in collaboration with users. Genpact and AWS collaborate to democratize AI adoption. Lava aims to boost local manufacturing in smartphone. And Paytm CEO praises gig economy amid mixed reaction. Then we have RWE's AI-powered marine monitoring initiative. In the previous quiz, we asked you what is the default browser for Windows. The answer is Microsoft Edge. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: who is the CEO of Apple? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. OpenAI has introduced a premium subscription tier, ChatGPT Pro, priced at $200 per month. This tier offers unlimited access to OpenAI's latest O1 model, its Pro exclusive O1 Pro mode, and an advanced voice mode for tackling complex problems. Now, the existing plan tier remains at $20 per month but does not include advanced O1 features. The new O1 model, initially previewed as Strawberry, is now officially available to Plus and Team users, with Enterprise and Edu users gaining access next week. Now, it offers advanced capabilities in coding, mathematics, and reasoning, coupled with image analysis and conscious responses. OpenAI is also considering ad integration in the future but has no immediate plans. The company's recent shift to a for-profit model, coupled with new hires from top tech firm, signals its intentions to extend revenue streams and challenge Google in the search market. Now, Apple's latest iOS 18 update introduces a free world-class password manager, providing iPhone users with a secure way to store credentials. Unlike traditional password managers, Apple's solution encrypts data and requires biometric or password authentication for access. This ensures protection even if the device is compromised. Now, the app notifies users of breaches, enabling quick password updates to maintain account security. Available across devices running iOS 18, iPadOS 18, macOS Sequoia, and visionOS 2. The password manager addresses the growing need for secure and accessible password storage. While other password managers often come with a cost, Apple's approach integrates seamlessly into its ecosystem, offering advanced security features free of charge. User security in a digital era with digital breaches and online threats going on. Now, Nothing Company has unveiled a nostalgic Snake Game widget for its smartphone, co-created with its community. Inspired by a concept submitted by user @Rahul, the widget was developed in a collaboration with community developer @RapidZapper, known for his work on the Ear app. The game offers a seamless, fun experience directly on users' home screens, which can be downloaded from the Nothing Community widget setting on the Google Play Store. Now, this initiative is a part of Nothing's broader strategy to integrate community-driven software innovation into its ecosystem. The company also plans to bundle these widgets into a single app, encouraging more users to submit creative ideas. By blending retro gaming nostalgia with modern technology, Nothing is here aiming to strengthen its engagement with its vibrant community while enhancing the user experience. Then we have Genpact, which has entered a multi-year strategic collaboration agreement with Amazon Web Services (AWS) to accelerate AI adoption across various business functions. Now, this partnership aims to simplify access to advanced AI tools, enabling leaders beyond IT departments, such as CFOs and COOs. They leverage AI for decision-making and innovation. Now, by offering tailored AI solutions, the collaboration empowers businesses to address complex challenges with agility. Genpact, an AWS premier tier services partner, utilizes its expertise in data and AI to modernize operations, improve product launches, and enhance digital customer experience. With nearly 1,000 AWS certified professionals, Genpact also provides solutions to AWS Marketplace, including Amazon Connect and Amazon OpenSearch. This partnership marks a significant step in breaking barriers to AI adoption and fostering sustainable growth across various industries. Then we have Lava, which is set to increase its local value addition in smartphones by 4 to 5% annually from the current 15 to 20%. The company credits the government's initiative schemes for promoting electronics localization. Chief Manufacturing Officer Sanjay Agarwal revealed Lava's plan to either manufacture components directly or source them domestically to reduce import dependency. which currently stands at rupees 1,311 crore for financial year 24. Despite being part of the production-linked incentive scheme, Lava has yet to meet growth targets to claim benefits. The company sees localization as a stepping stone to boost exports, particularly in African countries where it plans to extend operations in FY24. Lava's smartphone export totaled rupees 52 crore, up from rupees 41.5 crore in financial year 23. While Lava is focusing on finished product manufacturing, it remains open to contract manufacturing partnership to capitalize on PLI benefits and grow its electronic manufacturing services. Then we have Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma, who has lauded India's gig economy for creating millions of jobs, sharing a video of an Uber driver claiming to earn rupees 80,000 monthly in Bangalore. In his post, Sharma praised digital services for revolutionizing job creation and fueling the local economy. While some users applauded the sentiment, others questioned the claim, citing unrealistic calculation after accounting for fuel, maintenance, and commission cost. Critics also highlighted the challenges gig workers face, including inconsistent rides and high operational costs. Despite this skepticism, Sharma emphasized the pride and innovation of India's digital service workforce, contributing to a more inclusive and progressive digital India. Now, his optimistic stance sparked discussion on the realities and future of gig workers in the country. Then we have RWE, in collaboration with the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, is advancing marine ecosystem monitoring through the SeaMe project. This initiative uses drones, autonomous underwater vehicles, and environmental DNA analysis in order to assess the impact of offshore wind farms on marine life. TFKI's DeepLink AUV has enhanced with multimodal oceanographic sensors for precise data collection on water temperature, salinity, and oxygen content. These innovations enable comprehensive ecological assessment, aiding RWE in balancing renewable energy goals with marine conservation. The SeaMe project showcases the potential of AI-driven solutions in fostering a sustainable offshore ecosystem. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.